and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY colorful bunny rabbit. I mean, anyways, you can make it whatever color you want. You'll need a glue gun, scissors, a ruler, googly eyes, cotton balls, felt, any colors you choose, and polyfill. Okay, so you want to first take your felt and oh, I almost forgot. You'll need something to trace with, your circles. All right, you're gonna start with tracing out what you're going to use. So I'm going to start with the head, and so I'm just gonna draw a big circle. Not gonna be the perfect circle at all, but some sort of circle. Because like when you go in, it's, yeah. Well, actually you're gonna need 2 circles. I'm sorry. I never think. Okay, you're gonna need 2 circles, and don't worry if it's not exactly don't worry about your tracing, because you can just look at them and then cut it out that way. It doesn't have to be exact. All right, now I'm going to trace the bunny nose. I'm just going to do a little, well, not really little, but a little upside down triangle. See? And put that to the side. I'm gonna take my blue, and because I just do this again. Oh my gosh, there's hot glue strings. Oh my gosh. Okay, again, it doesn't have to be exactly perfect, but it's okay. So yeah, now, okay. Now we can do the feet later. Now you're just gonna start cutting out your shapes with your scissors, and this is the difficult. It is extremely hard to cut, but I'm ready for the challenge. Hopefully you are too. So well, maybe not that hard, but just gonna cut it out. And sorry about the green on my fingers. It's just marker from tracing. Okay, we got the little nose, as you can see, guys. Okay, put that to the side. All right. Now we are going to cut out the head, and the reason you are using 2 circles for the head is because you are going to start you're going to put it together, you're going to glue you're going to hot glue around and leave a little hole open like that, and you're going to put the polyfill in, and then at the end close it. Make sense? Because you can't just do that with one, not necessarily, because that's pretty difficult, and it would make it more, that would be I don't know. So just start cutting out your circle. Take your time if you need to cut it out to make it nice and circular. Okay, this is my first one. It's not the best at all. Okay. Now I'm gonna cut out my other one. I'll be right back. Okay, I got my circles done, and I did have to make it smaller because I made another one smaller, and now it's like this. So let's cut out my body. Be right back. Okay, we got oh, where did I put my nose? Well, anyways, oh, here it is. Okay, so we got the body, we got the nose, we got the head, because you don't have to worry about this because you're gonna actually put it on the head. Here's the part you need to pay attention on. So let's start with the body. We're gonna start by taking the body and putting it on top of each other. And, well, let's just fix this. Okay, there we go. Try to make it as good as possible. And now we're just gonna start hot gluing it, and be very careful. Make sure you get parents' permission to use a hot glue gun because it is really, really hot. Okay, so, and you might wanna do this really fast because the glue dries really. We're just going to take our ginormous bag of polyfill and we're going to put some in. Alright, so you're just going to put it halfway in and just take your fingers and go like this. So, I'm going to start on this side and then I'm going to do the other. And then once you're done filling it all up, you are going to want to, close it. Okay. Fill it as much as you can, and yeah. Okay, I think that's pretty good for this one. Now you're just going to take your glue gun and carefully close it shut. Just going to put some right here and here, right there. Now quickly, carefully close it. Okay. Don't worry guys, I know you see my fingers touching the glue, but again, it dries like really, really fast. Don't worry guys, I'm good. Now, because this one's like in a funky shape, we're just gonna do that and then just, I guess, close it. Okay, so here's my funky banana bunny body. It's okay, so let's put this to the side and let's move on to something else. Okay. Now you are going to take, okay, where did it go? Alright, here it is. I keep losing everything. Alright, now we're going to move on to the head. I'm just going to do the same thing. We're just going to, I got my head, I left a little hole, and now we're going to fill it up with polyfill. And if you're wondering where you can find polyfill, you can get it from Walmart and craft stores, like Hobby Lobby for instance. Okay guys, so I did kind of mess around with this. I mean, it's not going to look exactly like a bunny, but I mean, just wait until we're done. Okay, so now I'm just going to hot glue the nose. But yeah guys, there is a reason they call it hot glue. So yeah, again, get parents' permission to use it. Unless if you're an adult. Now we are going to glue it to the body. On like 10 seconds later, it's like cooled off, but like 25 or 30 seconds later, it's like dried. It like dries like instantly. Now you want to take your googly eyes and glue them to the bunny. I'm choosing this size, but you can do whatever size you want. But again, oh yeah, I forgot to clarify the ruler is optional. Alright, so now, alright, that's what it looks like for you. Alright, now we're just going to do, yeah, the eyes. I almost forgot, guys, see bunny ears. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. And of course, the tail. So let's just do the tail first. Hot glue it. So let's just take the cotton ball and hot glue it. Tail. So yeah, again, guys, I realized it doesn't really look like a bunny rabbit, but like when it's done, because we have to do the feet, like I said, we'll do last. So let's just hot glue these to the ears, and yeah. Okay, so I got the felt. Now we're just going to trace over with our Sharpie or whatever you choose to trace. These, I think we can just do flat. We don't necessarily have to do the really tiny 3D one, but it's really up to you. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to come over my gymnast family. And here is the little finishing bunny, front and back. And it does not exactly look like a bunny rabbit, but I think it does in a way, and it is colorful, blue, white bunny with little green feet, you know. It's pretty simple and cute. If you are young, this is pretty simple, but still again, give parents permission for a glue gun. Because off camera, I did kind of get burnt a couple times. It hurt. It was bad. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Bye!